Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Measure 2 cups ice, 1 cup tequila, 1/2 cup triple sec, 1/2 cup fresh lime juice, and 1/4 cup simple syrup before you start. Chill the blender jar and freeze rims with salt or sugar on 3 glasses for about 10 minutes to help the slush set. Use fresh limes, strain pulp for a smoother texture if you prefer. Keep ingredients cold and the mixer components ready so blending is efficient and the ice does not overmelt during processing. Start by pulsing on low for about 10 seconds to break large ice chunks, then switch to high for 20 seconds and repeat until a uniform slush forms. Begin with 1 cup tequila and adjust by adding 1 ounce increments to taste, keeping total alcohol under 1.5 cups for texture and safety. If the blender stalls, use a tamper to redistribute ice every 15 seconds and scrape the sides once with a spatula. Blend in short bursts to avoid warming the mix. For a frozen strawberry variation, substitute 1 cup of the ice with 1 cup frozen strawberries and add 1 tablespoon agave if needed. Serve the margarita slush in chilled, rimmed glasses with salt or sugar and garnish each with a lime wheel or wedge for aroma and presentation. Portion control matters. Pour 1/8 ounce glass per person and remind guests to sip slowly to monitor alcohol intake. Keep water available and never serve to anyone under legal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.